soup.
Mommy, I want you to say one like my daddy.
All right, so we started a video, Talia. Okay? So what are we about to do to you?
Sam like that.
No, what is it called?
Adjustment.
Yes, we're about to do an adjustment so you can feel good, okay?
Yeah.
The way I adjust children in here is usually with an activator. That's how I feel most comfortable. I will definitely, if I find something, specifically in the pelvis or the upper cervical area, then I'll go in and adjust that too. So it can be adjusted with this. So I just wanted to show y'all that we adjust children in here. My daughter loves to jump on the table and get adjusted. Alright, let's get this hip over
Mommy,
here.
you
You ready?
say one like my mommy or my daddy, okay?
Oh girl, lay down. Good. Good. Alright, let's put this little hand on your back there. Looks good. This hand on your back. Now both hands on your back. Good job. Take those down. Any questions? Let me see, who is that? Hey Veronica, I heard you moved to my area. Alright, put that little arm up there for me. Ah, we got a little bit of T12. So let me check that out. Popcorn. Alright, take that down by your side there. Alright, both hands up by your head. Good. Take those down. Alright, now turn your head towards the camera. Who is that?
Who is that, Mommy?
It's Miss Veronica. Alright, let's lift this shoulder up here. Good. Shrug your shoulders. Good. Let's roll your shoulders back towards me. Good. Alright, put your head back in the center. Look up to the wall in front of you. Put your head back down. Tuck your chin to your chest. Tuck your chin to your chest. Good, and relax. Alright. So, usually in children, they, unless it's something traumatic, usually the first subluxation is that upper cervical area at birth. And so, if we can make sure that that area is clear, then they have a better chance of having a good nervous system. Down here she has her little hip out and then T12, which may be due to her falling because she likes to run in the house with socks on, so she slips a lot. So we want to make sure that her hips are level. So I just go in, it's very light, check her roll there. Good. All righty. You ready to get up?
No, do it like my daddy.
So she wants me to adjust her like I adjust her daddy, and I just don't do it unless there's a specific need to adjust her like I adjust her daddy. So right now we have her pelvis level and balanced out, and we also had to get her upper cervical area, and that's all she needs for her to be good. So can you get up now?
No, do it like my daddy.
She begs to get adjusted. But I wanted to show you all the adjustment on a child, that it is very light, it's nothing that's invasive, but it is so helpful to have that nervous system working at 100%. And so, she's never had an ear infection. For some reason, they are wanting to take out her tonsils, but we are holding off on that until we can get her tested for her food sensitivities and food allergies, just to see what we can do in that area. Hey Ashley, hey Shay. Your kids are so big now, Shay. Shay and I went to chiropractic school together. Anyone have any questions that's on there? Ashley, I'll be seeing you next year with big old Noah. So I think that's it.
I just see her too.
Yeah, well, you might be at school. She said, will she see her too? So, hey, Adrisa, I hadn't seen you in forever. Y'all excuse me, I didn't really realize that I was going to be on camera today. Yes, you should have Noah adjusted. He is a big boy, and when he falls, he falls. So definitely have him checked out. You know, not to get much into your story, Ashley, but with the natural birth that you had, it was very good for him, but he might have been pulled out in a way that might have misaligned his upper cervical. So it's definitely good to get it checked out, and it won't scare him. Well, chiropractic children of chiropractors get adjusted from birth on. To us, that's like taking them to the pediatrician. We want to make sure that their nervous system is working at 100% or as close to 100% as possible. So in addition to her going to the pediatrician to get her well checks, she also gets adjusted. And like I said, she's never had an ear infection. She'll get... Okay, we'll adjust him next time with the tool. I love Noah. So that's usually, you don't have to have a referral for that. It's just something that can be done. And she actually loves to get adjusted because she's been getting adjusted for a while. So, yeah, it's probably been about 30 years, Adrisa. And that's telling our age. Yes, it's been a while. So, Veronica, yes, you know, falling... a lot when they learn how to walk, they fall, and that can affect their pelvis for later on. And then also the birth process, usually when they come out of the vaginal canal or even a C-section, because the opening is only that big, they can kind of be twisted in order to be taken out. So those are the things that you need to look for. If they're favoring one side over the other as babies, if they're always turning to that side, then that's definitely a clue that they may need to get adjusted and may need to get that done. Yeah, it's been a while. Laugh out loud. So if you have any other questions about children and adjustments and making sure that their immune system is where it needs to be, then definitely shoot me a direct message. But there are a lot of kids today that do have ear infections. Sounds good. We'll see you in January, Veronica. You can see me before that, too. I mean, you are in Charlotte. So let me know. Private message me and let me know where you work again. So I might can come by there. There are a lot of things going on with kids now that's taking their immunity down. Their diet is making their immune system not be what it should be. So definitely, if you can keep their nervous system and their immune system healthy, then we would have healthier children who are ready to face the things that they have to face in school and in daycare and in preschool and things of that nature. Okay? All right, guys, I didn't want to keep you too long. I just wanted to show you Talia getting adjusted because she is a great patient. All right. We'll talk to y'all later. Like I said, if you have any questions, definitely private message me and let me know. I'll be happy to answer them. Okay? If I can, and if I don't know the answer, I will find it for you. All right. We'll take care.